Hello everybody. Everybody, welcome to Smart Kids. I'm Grace
And I'm Aurius.
Hello everybody, welcome to Smarty Kids. Today we are going to make something out of LEGO. So Grace, what are we going to make today? We are going to make a dinosaur.
You're right, Grace. So today we are going to make a dinosaur out of Lego. So make sure you have your boxes ready. And also, don't just watch me making it. You need to make it too. Are you ready? So these are the pieces you will need to make a Lego dinosaur. You will need 4 of these pieces. You'll need 2 of these eye pieces. Now you will need 6 of these pieces. So we need 4 of these pieces. You will need 6 of these pieces. Okay. You will need 1 of this piece. You'll need 8 of these pieces. You'll need 3 of these pieces. You will need 3 of these pieces. And you'll need 7 of these pieces. I hope you are ready with the Lego. And let's start making this Lego dinosaur. Also, don't just watch me making it. You need to make it too. So first, get 2 of these light green pieces. Get 2 of these. Leave a little gap in between 2 of them. Then get 3 of these pieces. Put 1 of these in between. Put the other 2 like this. They should be like I don't know what this is. So they should just be like this, this, and this. Good. Now you get 1 of these pieces. You can put it on top like this. And then you get 1 more of these pieces like this. And you can put that like this. Done. Now, you get 2 of these pieces, 2 of these, then you can put them so now your dinosaur should look like this. Just don't worry about this falling down.
Another dinosaur.
Now, your dinosaur should look like this. Don't mind if this pot falls down, okay? Good, now second step complete. Now, and put it like just with this piece. Now you will get one more of these pieces. See? Just put it right here. Now, all of that, just keep it somewhere aside. And then you get two of these pieces. And then, see this? Just do this. Oops, and this broke. Good. So now it should look like this. Good. Now you should get two of these pieces. With that, attach one on each. So that it looks like this, and the other one should look like this. Then you can put them right here. Other one will be here. Good. Now, if that's all done, you can just do this. Look like this. Good. Now, put this pot here. With that, you put the tail pot connected to it, and then you put it all together. So far it looks like this.
Now, let me see.
Okay. Now, we will use this piece and put it like, good. Now, you will use this piece and you will put it like this. Good. So now it should look like this. Now, just put this somewhere aside.
Yes.
Now that we've made the body, let's make the head of the dinosaur. First you get this, then this, then get like this. Good. Now we will get 6 of these pieces. 6 of the white ones. But we're not doing the eyes yet. And these are for the teeth. You'll put it like this. Now we need to do 2 more. Just put them together. Now we will take this and put it on top of the teeth. And we will also put one here. Good. Now we will do this. See this? You put one of these on everyone. Because now we're making the cheeks. Cheeks. And on top of that, you put one. Good. Just make sure it's straight, okay? Now we are going to make the eyes.
The eyes.
But first, it should look like this. Okay? Now you will take 2 of these pieces and put one on each side. Now it should look like this. Now you can put the eyes, but only put the eyes on the front circle. But you can put the pupil in any direction you like. Now it should look like this. But the pupil doesn't have to be in the same direction. Good. Now, the last bit. Put these 2 on top to complete the head. Now it should look like this. Now, see the head? Let's bring the head and the body together. Now, Grace, you need to attach the head and the body together. Okay, can I please have it now? Thank you. And here you go, the dinosaur is complete. Hooray! And that is how you make a LEGO dinosaur. Roar, roar!
Give up.
Okay, friends. What is the name of this dinosaur?
Tyrannosaurus Rex or T-Rex?
That's right, Grace. It is Tyrannosaurus Rex or T-Rex.
It's too small, and if we like it, then I will share it with other people and I'll send it to gmail.com.
And make sure you send your picture, name, and a short video of you making your dinosaur.
And bye-bye! Bye-bye! If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a like and with your friends too.
That's right, Grace.
Green. If you like
like this video, don't forget to give us a like and share it with your friends too. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Smarty Kids. Now!
If bad, bye-bye. Or good or bad. If bad, then we will not. If good, then we will.
No! Look, Papa, look!
Seriously?
Again.